Welcome friends to my channel Facts by Hims. Today we have an interesting topic for facts which is about a language of ancient times and is still considered to be one of the most influential language potentially and technically. So you might have guessed which language I am talking about. Yes, it is Sanskrit language friends. So let's start. So, fact number 1, Sanskrit is an ancient classical language which was spoken in India. The starting time of Sanskrit or its origin is not known today, but it is almost 5 to 6,000 years old at least. Sanskrit is a language of religion, hymns, and rituals. Fact number 2, Sanskrit is supposed to be the oldest language. It is famous as a Vedic language. In Hinduism, there are four most valuable books written more than 5000 years earlier by sages are called Vedas. All the four Vedas as Rig Veda, Yajurved, Samved and Atharvaved are written in pure Sanskrit language. The hymns of the Vedas are so well fitted grammatically that no one can make a single change in it. If anyone will do so, the whole hymn and meanings will not fit correctly. In India, Nepal, Bhutan and Tibet today, Sanskrit is not the language of Hindus only. There are Buddhists and Jainism too who recite the Sanskrit hymns and mantras in their prayers and rituals. Fact number 4. Due to its beauty and grammatical perfection, Sanskrit has been admired by many Western and European scholars time by time. According to Sir William Jones, scholar of philology in 1786, the Sanskrit language, whatever be its antiquity, is a wonderful structure. It is more perfect than Greek, more copious than Latin, and more exquisitely refined than either, yet bearing to both of them a stronger affinity, both in the roots of verbs and in the form of grammar. Fact number 5. Sanskrit is technically very efficient language too. NASA has said Sanskrit is one of the best suited language for computers and technologies. According to NASA, it is most suited for developing computer algorithms. There are about 60,000 manuscripts written on leaves in ancient India upon which NASA is working to decipher the text for ancient technological understanding. Not only NASA, many countries like France, Germany, Australia, Russia, etc. are studying it deeply for understanding ancient contents in the manuscripts. Fact number 6. Being thousands of years old, not only in India but there are world-renowned universities which are teaching Sanskrit to their students. These are Virginia University, University of Beijing, Cambridge University, University of Bonn, University of Chicago, University of Alabama, Indiana University, Harvard University, University of Florida, State University of Ohio, University of Columbia, University of Toronto, University of Calgary, Oxford University, Berlin University, etc. Sanskrit being so ancient, today Hindi and many other regional languages are dominant in India, but even today there are few rural areas where Sanskrit is regular in use as a language. These locations are Ganoda, Khada and Karepan in Rajasthan, Bawali in Uttar Pradesh, Shyam Sundarpur in Odisha, Mattur in Karnataka, Jhiri and Mohad in Madhya Pradesh. Fact number 8. The eminent Sanskrit authors are Adi Kavi Valmiki, Maharishi Vedvyas, Kalidas, Bhasha, Harshvardhan, Panini, Patanjali, Adi Shankaracharya, Kalhana and Jaydev. Well recognized works in Sanskrit are children's fables, Sanskrit drama, Sanskrit poetry, Veds, Brahman Granth, Aranyakas, Sutra and Vedang, Upanishads, epics like Ramayana, Mahabharata and most importantly Bhagavad Gita. I hope these 8 facts about Sanskrit are useful for your knowledge and knowing the importance of this ancient language in modern times all across the world. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe the channel for such knowledgeable videos in future. Thanks for watching friends.